I'm here today with the Tourna Mega Tech, and this is a specific one for pedal, and then the Babolat Pro Tour 2.0. Now right off the bat, this one is more run-of-the-mill, just a little bit more of a normal one, I think. And this pedal Mega Tech, it's really tacky. So as you can see here, let's just show that a little bit. Can you see that shine there a little bit? This is really sticky. So this is the, well, it says so on the packaging, and it is what it does. This is the stickiest one that I've found yet to date. So that is like really sticky. If you like the tackiness, then this is a good option for you. Very durable and really tacky. This is a little bit of a different packaging. So this is one roll, but it has 3 of those grip tapes in there. So don't let yourself be misled by this one roll system. It's just 3 that you can put on there. And then we have this 3 in this Babolat 2.0. It's a little bit more eco-friendly, this packaging. It's all cardboard here with just a little bit of plastic. And this one is not too tacky and not too light as well. I think it's more of like for the average player, and it says Comfort Grip. I think this would be a very good option. It says comfort and absorption 4 stars. So I don't know what that means, but this is 0.6 millimeters, so just a little bit thicker here, and then, or that's 0.02 inches, and then it's 5 grams, so not that heavy. So again, a pretty light this, so this is more of if you like to keep your racket really light. And this is more if you really want it really tacky. So those are the different choices here that you can make, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.